Hi, my name is Zach Miller, and inside of this course, I'm going to be showing you how to instantly start adding friends to your Facebook list. And what does this do? Well, once you actually reach a limit, the current limit being 5,000 right now, and when you reach 5,000 friends, anyone who then subscribes or requests to be your friend will then become a follower as well for you. And this leads a lot of powerful waves ahead for you because every single request as a follower will actually show up more often than sometimes your friends do. See, the thing about a follower is Facebook doesn't quite know where to put them. So whenever they follow something, which doesn't actually have to often happen. So when it does, it's that much more powerful because you show up in people's feeds where normally you wouldn't or shouldn't. And Facebook's algorithms are really awesome when it comes to followers because they understand that followers are fans and fans should stay in contact with their fan bases. So this is going to show you again how to get those 5,000 friends as fast as possible so that way you can start adding every person from then on as a follower.